Hi guys, how una dey? Thank you all for your supporting, guys. I really appreciate you. Guys, keep on supporting, keep on sharing, comment and like. May your pocket never dry. Guys, thank you. So just want to try out this turban scarf and see how it goes and see the outcome. Guys, let's do it together. See how I'm folding it, then you tie that place as well. Yeah, then we tie it again. Guys, please always help me share, help me share, guys. Thank you all. Any day, anytime you come across this video, please guys help me share, comment and like. All right, so the front, you can do what you place it the way you want it. You can let it be at the center, you can also let it be to your side, anyone you want. Then we turn the hand, started twisted it. So as you can see, I'm twisted the hand, make it neat. So guys, I use it like this, but I later turn the hand back to the normal place. So you will see it now. You see what I'm saying now. I didn't let her use this place because I didn't want the hand to end here. I wanted the hand to the other side. Yes, you see what I'm saying. So I later use it this way. So we're going to use pin to pin that place down. Use pin to pin that place down. You see? Yeah. So that one now, we're going to use what? Pin to pin that place so that we can get the shape of what we are looking for. So we pin that place down. We pin that place down. Then do it the way we do the other one. Yeah. So we're going to pin that place as well. Alright guys. So I see the cover that place is, you see the place and how that place, I think that it is not looking nice. So I remove it and do it well. So that place also, you see that place that is shaking. You see, so I pin that place as well. So to get the normal style we are looking for. So guys, you see now, look at this, see the outcome. This one does not need rubber, it's only one pin to pin the side. So look at the back now, see how beautiful it is, especially those that used to do big braid, so and you want to cover it. So just see now, guys, see. Hope it's nice. Please, what do you think about this drop? Help me drop your comment. And let me just put my speaker and see how it looks, guys. Thank you all for watching. Please help me share this video. Share so that other people can also benefit from the tutorial. Please and please. I also use another speaker so that you can see which one do you prefer. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye.